Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with Essentials. Install PowerShell 7 or use Widget, then open it elevated so commands can modify the system. Once done, set the execution policy for scripts to remote signed at your user scope so local scripts run, but remote ones require signatures. This reduces risk. Now confirm the version with pwshv and list available modules with get module list available. These initial steps let you run, load, and test commands safely before building automation. You now add capabilities. Use find module, then install module to pull vetted modules. This expands CMDlets for cloud, network, or file tasks. Once installed, import module or use using module at the script top to ensure functions are available when the script runs. When writing scripts, declare param blocks and apply CMDlet binding to enable common parameters and pipeline support. This makes your code composable and predictable. Make sure to test commands interactively, then encapsulate them as functions for reuse and error handling. You finish by executing and automating. Run scripts directly or call PowerShell file. Use whatif and confirm to preview destructive actions. For automation, register tasks in Task Scheduler or use register scheduled job so scripts run unattended with defined credentials. If something fails, first verify the execution policy, confirm module versions with get module list available, and re-import modules. Module path and permission issues are the usual culprits. If errors persist, capture verbose output and inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.